Hello mga kapakals! Good day Davao! I am super excited to share with you na tagpiso lang ang milk tea. Woo! Today, July 19, dinhi sa Gaisano City Gate, Buhangin. Dahil ngayon ang grand opening ng A Little Tea Philippines. Sa mauunang 50 customers ay magiging piso lang ang kanilang milk tea.
Good day! Welcome to A Little Tea! Tara! Mag-milk kita!
Pero kung sakaling hindi nyo maabutan ng kanilang papiso milk tea mamaya, pwede naman kayo sa kanilang buy one, get one. Yes! If you haven't heard of them yet, A Little Tea Philippines is a business with an amazing variety of tea-based drinks. From classic milk teas to trendy fruit teas and even specialty drinks, they've got something to satisfy every tea lover's cravings. Aba, nagustuhan namin itong kanilang fruit teas. Refreshing and packed with real fruit flavors. Isa na nga ang kanilang classic milk tea sa idadagdag ko sa favorite ko, balance with just the right amount of sweetness and creaminess. And if you're feeling adventurous, don't miss out their specialty drinks like cheese tea series. Trust me guys, the combination of creamy cheese foam on top of the tea is surprisingly lamig. What's great about Little Tea Philippines is that pwede kang mag-customize sa drinks mo. Pwede mo i-adjust ang sweetness level, tapos choose a different kind of toppings like pearls or pudding, and you can even decide how much ice you want. It's all about making your tea experience exactly how you want it. So whether you're a tea aficionado or just looking for something new, I highly recommend checking out A Little Tea Philippines. Kaya kung ikaw ay mahilig sa mga tsaa o gusto mo subukan ng bagong lasa, ay try mo punta dito at tikman ang mga bagong milk teas and fruities ng A Little Tea Philippines. Tulad ko, alam kong magugustuhan mo din ang kanilang cozy ambience. Aside sa spacious ito, malinis, nakaka-relax talaga. Whether you're studying solo or meeting up your friends, their branch provides a comfortable and relaxing environment for you to enjoy your drink. Pagpasok mo pa lang dito ay may amaze ka talaga sa kanilang vibrant and spacious interior. Even yung decor nila dito is napaka-modern at inviting. Comfortable ang seating arrangements, perfect talaga sa mga catching up with friends or just unwinding after a long day. Super na-enjoy talaga ng pamangkin ko na si Kuya Jairus ang drink na napili niya. At syempre, magpapaiwan ba ito si Daddy? Hakot yarn? Tinikman lahat ng mga gusto niyang flavors. So ano bang hinihintay nyo? Tara, let's! I highly recommend you checking out A Little Tea Philippines. It's definitely one of the spots where you can sip your favorite drink and unwind in style.
Ang gusto ginami sa latapok lang di ari, agi nga suporta mga unta sa wapa, nato na ilawan na kanan labi na tabang pugkini sa atong ekonomiya, suporta hirata para ni sa atong
mauntang dagbayan, suportahan ng negosyong lokal, dali mga unta, tara pakals na. Dalibay, sabay na ta, kauban mga tropa, promise malingaw ka, dali kay mga unta.